Tiffany here with Crafty Creations. Today's video is for Crafty Stamp Co. and it has arrived, my Crafty Crew kit for the month of September. And so let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what fun things we have to play with. So your kit is going to come in a poly envelope, I think that's what those are called. Some bubble wrap, and then tissue paper with your sticker on it for you. Thanks for joining the Crafty Crew, Tiffany. Just for me. So let's open this up. So every kit does come with this mesh bag, and all your stuff is inside and ready for you. I do have the Crafty Crew kit sheet, so let's actually go over that first. So the Crafty Crew kit is for September of 26, and you're going to get 2 stamp sets. That's pretty typical, 4x6 stamp sets. One's called Unicorn Slumber Party and Unicorn Party Snacks, and that looks like it's going to be a really fun party. It looks very colorful, and I really like the color combos there. Then you're going to get the Unicorn and Cotton Candy 6x6 paper pack. What I like about those is they're double-sided, and you get 4 sheets. So you can use 2 of this, 2 of that, and you get to more options. And then you're going to get the pretty embellishment, whoops, not that, the Pillow Fight 6x6 stencil. These are really fun because you can emboss with them too, and we'll probably do that in one of our videos. And then you're going to get, for subscribers, now, you can actually, let's talk about that, non-subscription. So you can get this kit, every other month is when these come out. And you can get the kit as long as it's still available if you're a non-subscriber. The cost is $48.02 plus shipping, and then you get a 15% off code on other things. Subscribers, though, are already set up to receive these kits, so you don't have to hurry up and hope you get it before they sell out. So that just gets you kind of enrolled in, like, you know, reoccurrence of the kit. And then it's a bi-monthly subscription, 25% discount on retail. You get this special embellishment that is for subscribers, and it's different every month, or every bi month. 10% code on non-subscription orders, and the cost is $42.36 plus shipping. So this month for our embellishment, we're going to get multi-size clear self-adhesive dewdrops. Everyone loves a dewdrop. They're very fun. Add texture and additional color, or this is actually going to shine. Anyway, and then the ordering window is August 1st through the 15th, so you're in the ordering window now, and then it will ship out on September 5th to you. So that's what is included in the kit. So let's look at it in real life. So you got your mesh bag, and there's a lot of stuff that comes in this. It's a fully loaded experience here. So let's get that open. It's your bag. You get a little thank you card for your order. And then this is something new. They've started doing it in the last 2 bi-monthly kits, is that they give you a color palette that goes with the stamp set. So how they designed the stamp and how it is in their packaging, they have provided you the color combination using Copic markers. So I think this is really cool because I'm getting really into color combinations. It helps narrow down your scope of what colors to use because there are so many colors. So many shades, and sometimes it can be tedious and overwhelming to figure out which ones to pick. So they have started giving you these recipe cards that show you the colors that they used when they had in mind for creating these projects. Now for myself, I like this combination. So I may use it, I may use something else, but this is really fun, and guess what? You get to keep them, and you can refer back to them on other projects. So say you really liked the color of this unicorn, it would tell you what colors were used on the unicorn. So you can always take these color combos and take them to other kits that you have. Okay? Next here is our self-adhesive dewdrops, our clear ones. So these are going to add texture. I like they come in 3 sizes. You have a whole set of bigger, medium, and small. It's always good to do things in 3s or odd numbers, so that's really awesome to have this variation of size. And clear is just going to add that like little touch of something. All right, here is our stamp sets. So we have our 6x6 clear stamp set. This is the, well, let me just look on my paper so I flip it around, the Unicorn Slumber Party. And I think that's super fun. Like, who doesn't want to have something like that to wear? And who doesn't want a unicorn plushie? So I think that's really fun. May your birthday be full of rainbow sparkles and unicorn, I just said that wrong. Full of rainbow sprinkles and unicorn sparkles. You bring out my inner unicorn, and your sparkle shines bright. I can't speak today. Words are hard. So anyway, I think this is a really fun set, and it has a pillow for like pillow fights, because that is going to be the stencil. And then we have our unicorn party snacks, because you can't have a slumber party without snacks. And you can't have a unicorn slumber party without unicorn snacks. So this is really fun too. You make life sweet. Only the best snacks sparkle. I'll bring the snacks, you bring the sparkle. So you got popcorn, like a milkshake and a donut and a hot cocoa, cupcakes, all kinds of fun things. Some candies. So that's going to be really fun. And then you got your color combos that go with them. Okay, let's look at, I'm going to save the paper for last, because that, you know, takes a bit to flip through. Here is our stencil. This is our, and I keep saying that, I want to flip it over, our Pillow Fight 6x6 stencil. So this, obviously, you can stencil with it, but you can also emboss with it. So that's going to be really fun, because you can do a whole background of just the pillows and the stars, and how fun is that? I even like the little pillows that have like the squiggly edges on them. That's kind of fun. Moon, stars, clouds. I mean, come on, that's fun. All right, let's look at our paper we got here. Okay, all of your paper comes with the little sleeve, which is really nice and handy. All right, so we have our unicorn and cotton candy paper. It's really fun. It looks like a combination of maybe glitter card, like glittery cardstock, and alcohol ink. So we'll just flip through these real quick. I like to turn 2 over so I see my options when I'm looking through these and trying to pick what color I'm going to do. Looks like we got purples, pinks, blues, yellows, and orange, kind of how it fades together. And this has like some faux gold leafing on there, so that's fun. This one has some flowers integrated in that, so that's fun too. So this is cool because you can take these right here, let's take these out, and you can actually overlay them on those, and they're going to look like little drops of paint, or little, yeah, just little dots of color. So not only are these clear, but then they can pick up the colors of whatever you set them on, so that's fun too. So anyway, get a paper set, and I like to do it front and back too, so I know what all of my options are, and then I can store them in here. And what's nice about this is you can store actually all of your scraps in here too. So, you know, you kind of create a lot of scraps when you're doing cards, because those are usually 4 1/4 by 6. I mean 5 1/2, and so you end up having some scraps, so it's always fun to put those away in there. Anyways, this is our Crafty Crew Kit for September, so let's go ahead and make something. start wrapping up this card we're making today, and I'm going to wrap it up using some of the clear self-adhesive dewdrops to just add a little bit of shine and a little bit of extra texture to this card. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and head on over to Crafty Stamp Co.'s website and get your Crafty Crew Kit September 26th kit today. Alright, thanks y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!